Are you filming?
Yep.
You might as well give me a light so I can. You have a cell phone or something?
Nope.
This is insulated, so if you're waiting for me to shock myself, it's not gonna happen. I hope. Dude, you're waiting for something bad to happen. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open the mainframe. That's technical jargon.
We call this the Drunken Electrician.
Okay. Hey!
Yeah.
I need light. Come hold a flashlight for me,
Hang on, I'm watching the fight.
like a good son. Be my baby boy. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't touch it.
Come on now.
Okay. Okay. 3 screws down. One. Okay. Yeah. This is what happens when Brian throws a frisbee, and knocks the socket in. And they say I do more damage. Sort of. Maybe. See, I learned about this, back in the day. High school electronics. I'm good. Sort of. Okay. Eric, you got tweezers?
Tweezers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are they insulated? Okay. Damn it. All the whiskey. Whiskey being reefer. Alright.
Yeah.
I need your superhuman strength.
5 minutes. Just 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm in. Okay. Theoretically. I got this. It's a work in progress. I see the problem. Eric! I need the tweezers.
5 minutes.
I can't see shit. I need a light.
What are you talking about? You made your own light there for a second.
I need a cell phone light. Eric, let me get your cell phone.
Just 5 minutes.
Damn it. You're jacking off. This is picking up.
I'm trying to figure out if that's up on shots. You said you need tweezers?
No, I just need a cell phone light.
Okay, cell phone light and tweezers. How do you get those two mixed up?
Okay. Okay. Aha.
Did sparks fly?
I see the problem.
You're gonna owe me a phone. It's fucked up.
Wait.
Do we have a flashlight?
Okay.
Why am I looking at the front?
Oh, I see it. There's a loose spring. There we go. I fixed it. We got light. Thank you very much.
Now,
End clip.
question it now.
Thank you.
Hang
See,
on.
Drunken Electrician.
Question now. Okay,
I'm
okay.
done.
Hey, watch it
done.
now.
I'm the best guy. More whiskey. Whiskey all is me. Here we go.
Dear freaking gosh.